Tagline of this movie is your story, your love story. Is this, any commonalities between your character and your real life?
No.
So, well, Adi said, I think that for me, I'm very talkative. Like as Sarah, I'm expressive, I'm talkative, I use my words a lot. I think my character is not like that. I think there's much more within. And I think she's like socially awkward. You'll see in the film, which starts with an introduction about me, my character. There's like a VO where you'll understand more about her. But she's a lot more like socially awkward and like confused than I think I am.
I think what the tagline implies when they say your own story is that there's so many different types of love stories in the film, different age groups, different shades of love that I think what Anurag sir is trying to portray, which he's telling the audience that you will identify with someone in the movie. You'll see yourself and maybe your love story in one of them. So that's why I guess the tagline is your own story.
सर आप और आदित्य दोनों के बीच में एक बड़ी फ़र्क बनता है, मतलब आप दोनों देशभक्ति के फिल्म में बनाया ऑलरेडी। इससे पहले ये वतन मेरे वतन आपने बनाया और स्काई फोर्स में भी आपने काम किया। एक एक्ट्रेस होने के नाते जब स्क्रिप्ट चेंज होता है ना, मतलब देशभक्ति से एक नया दौर है, मतलब मेट्रो इन दिनों, ये चेंज ओवर को आप कैसे फील कर सकते हैं एज एक्ट्रेस होके, और जब आप एक स्टेप उठाते हैं ना, मतलब आई हैव टू डू दिस सिनेमा, व्हाट इज द मेन चेंजर बिटवीन द प्रीवियस फिल्म्स एंड दिस फिल्म?
Sir, as an actor, I think it's very important to be versatile at least and try. I want to be able to try every kind of genre. Ae Watan Mere Watan released the same month as Murder Mubarak. Right before that, there was Zara Hatke. So I think that, that's the fun of being an actor. No, you get to play lives that are not yours. You get to live characters जो आपसे परे हैं. And like this character, for instance, she's so different to who I am. Like I said earlier, I'm loud and bubbly and, chirpy. I don't know if I keep things in as much. And it was an interesting challenge for me to play something different. And as long as I can keep doing that, I want to be able to do every genre just across the board and keep growing and keep learning so I can do what I love doing.
एंड स्काई फोर्स वो हमारी कहानी है, कोडागु के कहानी है एक।
जी, जी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.
Aditya ji, as there is a tagline now, your own story. So, do you have any of the story status of relationship?
I didn't understand your question exactly.
There is a tagline, your own story, for your film. So, do you have any relationship status?
Oh, my relationship status. My only relationship right now is with Metro in So till the 4th of July, my status is promoting.
So, at least can you give a suggestion for this young generation as how modern love is, what they are dealing with?
Any suggestion? I don't know if I can give any great suggestion of any worth. Maybe, our phones have become such a big part of our life that maybe using less of your phone, because we are more connected as people than ever before. We are hyper connected, but I don't know if the quality of communication is very good. You might know what your friends are doing all the time, but are you really talking to them? Are you really nurturing your relationships? Just because you send each other memes the whole day doesn't mean you know what's going on in each other's lives. So I think using your phone less and actually having real conversations with the people in your life is a good way to kind of enrich your relationships.
Saraji, I have one question which is out of your film. That is, recently Salman Khan ji has opened up about his marriage and also the health issue what he is dealing with his brain anonymous. So, do you have any concern? What did you say after listening to this health issues of Salman Khan ji? Are you aware of this news?
Have you heard of this? No.
Recently, he opened up in Kapil Sharma show. Yes.
Okay.
We will take 4 more questions. I think you've asked 2-3 questions. We'll move on to this side as well. I had some hands here. Anyone from here, please pass the mic. Yes, the man in the blue. Yes.
आदित्य, मैं आपका इतना बड़ा फैन हूँ कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मूवी बचपन से आपको मैं फॉलो करता आ रहा हूँ। लाइक जो आप में रियल लाइफ में आपका जो करते हो, लाइक फिजिक है आपका ड्रेस सेंस है, सब कुछ फॉलो करता आ रहा हूँ। लेकिन ये एक चीज पे अटक रहा हूँ, वो रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस पे,
अच्छा
क्योंकि आप नई लड़कियों से ज्यादा लड़कियों को डेट कर चुके हो। मैं क्या करूँ, शादी हो जाऊं या डेट करूँ किसी को?
देखो, जो भी आप मीडिया में पढ़ते हैं इसका मतलब नहीं है कि ये ट्रू है। हाँ
लेकिन
आपका हाँ क्वेश्चन क्या है?
अभी मैं सिंगल हूँ एक्चुअली।
अच्छा, तो सिंगल अच्छा है ना।
लाइफ में आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो उसको ऐड करता जा रहा हूँ। फिजिक के लिए जिम को जा रहा हूँ,
हाँ।
ड्रेसेंस के लिए अच्छा अच्छा कपड़ा खरीद रहा हूँ, और लुक्स के लिए भी सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ।
ये सब करे तो सब हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो।
अभी सिंगल हूँ ना, जो क्या
तो आपको क्या चाहिए?
आप सिंगल हो या कमिटेड हो या शादी करना चाहते हो, कुछ बोलो ना।
दीदी वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, अभी तो मेरा कमिटमेंट बस ये फिल्म के साथ है। 4 जुलाई तक तो मैं रिलेशनशिप में हूँ, बट विद मेट्रो इन दिनों।
थैंक यू।
आई थिंक आपको आपकी सारी टिप्स मूवी से मिल जाएंगी, सारे रिलेशनशिप स्टेजेस क्लियर हो जाएंगे. वील टेक वन मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस साइड इफ somebody wants to take.
Not recently. I haven't watched any suggestions? Not recent. Not over
But
here.
we've seen like Kantara.
Kantara, of
We've
course.
seen-
KGF.
We've seen these
Kantara, of
films.
course. Yes.
We've seen these
Of course.
films.
I mean, I would love to. If there was a good subject,
script, then
there's such
why
amazing
not?
movies being made that if someone comes with a great idea, absolutely open. It'll be a challenge, obviously. Anytime speaking a new language is a challenge, but it's an interesting challenge to take on. As an actor, you should be able to try and speak in different languages. So definitely. I'm not personally friends with any Kannada artists.
I
I'm
look up to their work a lot. I think
Yes.
the cinema is inspiring, but I think on a personal level, I don't really know.
No, but I
So-
mean, it's always inspiring to see the kind of work that's coming out and, aspire to do similar stuff to that.
just better
Yeah.
and better.
I think so you can help them connect and maybe you can be
Yeah,
the
yeah. You can help us, yeah?
Yeah.
And next time when we are spending a night or something, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
so sweet, sir.
Yes.
All right, with that, we've come to the end of questions. We have something very special planned because the singer Shashwat Singh is also
Oh,
here.
lovely. Great.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Lovely.
Thank you,
Both
guys.
of you look beautiful.
Thank
and
you.
we forgive you for being late.
Yeah,
Once
sorry
again.
guys. Sorry for keeping you waiting. We didn't mean to. Thank you very much. Please spread the word. 4th of July.
Of course, with Sarah and Adi being here, it's even more special. So there's this song which is doing the rounds and it's doing really well everywhere on all the platforms. It's called Zamana Lage. And Bangalore has such amazing weather, so I'll give you the first line. तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे, मैं एक शाम चुरा लूं अगर बुरा ना लगे, तुम्हारे बस में अगर हो तो भूल जाओ हमें, तुम्हें भुलाने में शायद मुझे ज़माना लगे. Thank you.